how to use coins on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can use coins on AliExpress, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are three ways to spend coins on AliExpress. The first is that you can simply exchange the coins for coupons in the mobile app. So you can open up AliExpress application over here. Once you open the AliExpress app, just tap the account option here and then just go to coins option. Once you go to coins, you can exchange the coins for coupons from this specific section over here, as you can find it. And you can also just earn your coins by getting more people to the app and just buying more products, and then you should be good to go from there onwards. The second way is that there may be a list of products that you can pay using coins, but this depends upon the seller whether or not they accept coins, because if you have coins you have extra 5% off, and if you have coins you have this much rupees off, and so on. So you should be able to find them respectively over here. Otherwise, what you can do is during the sales and the checkout process, both the website and the app offer special conditions to spend the coins. Now you can just select buy now option here, and when you're buying a specific product, it might ask you to spend the coins during the main checkout process, because there could be different ways to use it. And this way you can go ahead and then basically use your coins on AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.